Let's unbox a new pair of Magico S5 speakers. Start with removing the big screws on the side and the clips on the top of the crate. Now carefully flip the crate upright. Next, go ahead and remove all the small screws around the bottom of the crate. You can now remove the top half of the crate away from the speaker. Now carefully remove the two foam pieces underneath the speaker. Now you can safely move the speakers into their listening positions. Once in their listening position, you can remove the speaker socks as well as the tweeter guards. Now go ahead and open up the accessory box and remove the feet to put on the speakers. Now you can carefully thread all the feet onto the speakers. You can now attach the magnetic grills if you'd like. Now just connect your speaker wire and you'll be listening to your brand new 2024 Magico S5 speakers.